what are some of the traits and skills that you recommend honing in on that you notice that the best trial lawyers seem to have in common?
The best trial lawyers, well, some of the, they're curious. It's like, and they're very, the best of the best trial lawyers like love it. Like they love the challenge. They love the tunnel vision that going to trial requires. The fact that you don't think about anything else. You ignore your family. You ignore your health. Basically, everything is like it's an obsession. But that's what drives them, and that's why they're great at it, because it's the ability to focus like a laser, like so intensely. And so that's one, like, and you, I guess you have to be disciplined, because there's so many distractions, and and people have a lot of cases besides their work, but the ones that really get to the higher levels, all they work on is that trial for that couple months. That's it, round the clock, 12 hours. The discipline to get in at 6 in the morning and work until you can't, till you're exhausted. Just in the preparation, there's so much preparation. That's why it's just so much discipline, and so much focus. Those are, to me, and you have to be a leader too, because nobody can try a big case, any case of substance by themselves. And so you need a team around you that's handling all the, BS distractions, like, whatever motions the defense is filing, or, even filing motions yourself, but having somebody else do it, just burning up the bandwidth of the defense, distracting them, taking away their energy. You got to, like, you can't do the whole trial. Most people don't do the whole trial themselves. So you just got to be able to delegate. Okay, who's going to handle this? Who's going to handle that? Because it takes recuperation time, even in trial, because, you're not really doing anything physically, but you are, because at the end of trial, at the end of a day of trial, most people are just like, need to like take a couple hour break, because it's just so exhausting being in that courtroom under that kind of tension. So I think those are some of the key qualities or character traits that the people at the top of this game have. They have a lot of empathy too. Most of them. Some don't. Some just fake it. But most are very empathetic, caring people.